Hello and welcome to this video about viticulture. Viticulture is the practice of growing and caring for vines, and it comes with a wide range of tasks and responsibilities. In this video, we'll explain viticulture in just 500 simple words. First, let's talk about what viticulture is. Viticulture is the science and art of growing vines and making wine. It involves a wide range of activities, including planting vines, pruning them, fertilizing them, and monitoring their health. Once vines are planted, they need to be pruned to promote healthy growth and prevent disease. Pruning involves removing dead or damaged branches and training the vines to grow in a particular direction. This is an ongoing process that requires regular attention and care. Fertilization is also important in viticulture. Vines need a steady supply of nutrients to grow and produce high-quality wine. That's why viticulturists often use fertilizers to provide the necessary nutrients. Another important aspect of viticulture is monitoring the health of the vines. This involves regularly inspecting the vines for signs of disease or damage and taking action to prevent or treat any problems that arise. Finally, winemaking is a crucial part of viticulture. Viticulturists work closely with winemakers to select the best grapes, harvest them at the right time, and process them to make wine. In conclusion, viticulture is a complex and rewarding practice that involves a wide range of tasks and responsibilities. From planting and pruning vines to monitoring their health and making wine, viticulturists play a crucial role in the production of high-quality wine. Thank you for watching this video about viticulture.